Today I'm bringing you guys to Gundam Base in Tokyo.
After getting off the station, it's about 5 to 10 minute walk to Diver City Plaza. We're almost there. This is where we need to go. I know some of you will ask why am I going to Gundam Base again. This trip is actually from late January, but I never get a chance to post this video. As we get closer to the life-size Unicorn Gundam, you see crowds of people surrounding it. They're all waiting for the Unicorn show. At 5 p.m., there's a 1-minute awakening show.
All these people waiting for the light show, which is gonna start in less than 3 minutes.
I usually don't watch it anymore after coming here so many times, but I just happened to be here right on time, so I might as well show you guys. It's already getting darker after the show, and more people are still staying for the pictures, while it's still lighting up. I don't recall seeing this Gundam Base store here last time. Maybe it's a pop-up store. The main Gundam Base store is on the top floor of the shopping mall. This store you will find mostly souvenir items. Hey look, there are some birthday keychains, but you see most of the dates are sold out. There are also some Haro pouches, Gundam cookies, and chocolates. Let me get one of these Gundam coasters. Let's see what I got. It's the Sasabi. I was hoping for the RX-78 one. I should try again later. Alright, now we're heading up into the mall to check out the main store.
Let's head inside and check it out.
This time, everyone entering the store must have the picture taken, and most kits are limited to 1 per person. I guess it's to prevent bulk buyers from other countries. Once they've taken your pictures, you can't go back and buy the same item again on the same day. But this time, I feel like there isn't much to buy, and I couldn't find any new kits that I wanted. I just realized that Toronto's hobby stores actually have way more new kits in stock. Whenever a new kit launches, we don't get them as fast as Japan or Asia, but stores in Toronto usually order a lot, and we usually get them in 3 to 4 months later. I wanted to get this Sasabi, but it's all sold out. I end up getting this plain white Gundam. This Gundam apparel store, Straight G, is Bandai's official Gundam fashion brand. And this is the Expo 2025 entry grade 1144 RX78 F00/E Gundam, featuring the glass feather equipment, which will be available on April 11 this year. It's the first plastic model kit made using chemically recycled resin. I'm really looking forward to this kit, as well as the metal build version. The life-size Gundam at Expo 2025 in Osaka is built using materials from the moving Gundam that was in Yokohama, but this one doesn't move anymore. These are the Gundam Base limited session here. Here I found the birthday keychains again. They've got my birth date. Oh, I gotta show you the paint room, but I think they're closed at this time. Anyways, that's it for my day. Times for a nice udon dinner.